First, switch on the heater. The switch is outside the bathroom. After switch on, the green light will be on. Then, turn on the water. If the red light below the green light do not light up, it means heater not function. It is caused by the water tank too close with the water supply. Just take down the head shower head to lower position. Then red light will on. It means heater function well. You can change to rain shower anytime. Make sure the red light on to have a nice bath. If the red light off, simply take down the hand shower head will do.